What's up, the amazing traders? This is Street. My name is Mr. Jackson. You know, why now I uploaded a video on the channel concerning a trading setup, and let's have a look at what the market is having for us currently. The Telegram group or the update had there, you can do well to join. So before I proceed, do well to like the video, do well to share, and do well to subscribe to the channel. So with that much being said, let's go, because there are a whole lot of opportunities that is waiting for. This is one of the one of the major pair that I am watching, because the trend is very clear, the trade is very clean, and also setup and the pullback is very clean. So I'm looking forward to participate in this move. So you already know NzdChf, this is the daily time frame. So before I continue, let me just go to the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. And here on the monthly time frame, you can see on the monthly time frame here, the market is predominantly in a downtrend, and this market pull back into this region, consolidate, give us some form of a chart pattern that is on the weekly time frame, and it broke the neckline, and ever since the market broke this neckline, the neckline was cleared, and it was a sell scenario. First pullback, sell, second pullback, sell, and this is the third pullback for say ever since the neckline has been broken. So we are also anticipating a sell, because patterns repeat itself. So it's a very straightforward trade. So coming to the daily time frame, you see this is where I position these my tools, and I'm waiting this market to just pull into this region. Once it's pulled to this region, we'll wait forward to sell this market once the counter trend line is taking off, or maybe a sharp push into here. Then we'll be going in for a sell. First level target is going to be here. First level target is going to be this region, and we'll take our first targets will be here, right here, and second level target is going to be around let me use the Fibonacci, because that's what I used to take my TP. So this will be my first level target, and second level target will be 0.55513. So that is that for NzdUsd. Then right here we have the year perfectly, because EurUsd is also a chart pattern with clear chart pattern, which is a reversal pattern also. So we can see this, you can see this market, it was a flag, just flag here, and this is a double top. This is a double top. I consider this to be a double top, and this seems to be the neckline. The market has broken it. So currently putting this market these my tools here, and the market has already pulled into it. So just waiting for the markets to give up, and the only thing that is holding the market is the counter trend line. So once the counter trend line is confirmed, we'll be going in for a sell. Our first level target is going to be here. Our first level target is going to be right here. So if you want to get an update on when I am entering the market, when I'm taking the trade, you want to join me, you can join my Telegram group, because that's where I post the trade first time before even sharing on WhatsApp or sharing on Twitter. They can follow me as well. So that is that about EurUsd. I'm not too now on AudUsd. AudUsd, I think, is a kind of consolidating, but if you check the weekly time frame, if you check here on the weekly time frame, this market has been respecting this trend line dating back from since February 2021. The market has been respecting it, and the last touch is right here. The market touch here, and ever since then this market has been consolidating. So yet the head and shoulder pattern has not been confirmed, but because this is the neckline, this is where I have the neckline. is where I have the neckline. Once it broke, I know that the market will completely fall, but for now I'm just trying to like scalp in between before the market dies, before the market breaks the neckline. That's why I'm having this, because this is the trend line that was holding this straight to the upside, and now it has been broken. Since the market has broken, it came back to retest here, retesting here, and coming out. This market came out from here. So this is something like a break and retest. There is a resistance turn support. So what I'm waiting for is this to give up. Once it gives up, break below this trend line. If it breaks below, when I see a bearish candle close below, I'm going to be entering it. Stop loss will be above high, and first level target is going to be here, while second level target is going to be this line. Second level target is going to be this line, and that is another sweet pair that I have here is GBP USD. It's also in a reversal state. The market is also reversing, and this is a divergence, a form of divergence, because but it's a double top. Let's leave grammar. A form of divergence here, showing that this was the neckline. This market has broken the neckline, currently trying to retest the neckline, and this is my major level, which happens to be a psychological level also. That's why you are seeing it there. So the neckline here, break and retest of a neckline. A break and retest of a neckline is what we are waiting for, and this market is currently retesting. So I believe this week that we are entering this week, this market is going to give up. So what we are waiting for is for the market to just close below. So nearly all the trade, the market will just close below. Once it closes below, I'm going to enter for a sell. So the reason why you are seeing these two yellow bar is, I think this might manipulate inside in order to tap into this zone. I will even prefer it to tap into this zone, because it will give me a nice risk reward, or the market will just spin around from here. So first level targets will be around here, and second level targets I'm going to extend it to here. Before then, let me just check where the second level target will likely come up to be. So if I measure from here down to this very place, you might not even get there. So I think second level target will be here. First level targets, second level target will be here, but the overall target where this market is coming for is 1.27181. That's where this market is currently coming to.